Hello children, good morning. How are you? All are fine, yes? Very good. Have you finished your classwork and homework? Did you finish children? Yes. All, let's start our social class, social science class. Check your book, page number 21. Page number 21. Have you completed your homework and classwork? So some students have not sent. That is not good. Have to send the homework, okay? We are marking every day the note by the date wise. So finish your homework, okay children? Okay, now we are going to start the new lesson, chapter 3. Transport. What is transport? Transport is the movement of humans, animals and goods from one place to another place. We can go, yes. We use different types of transport in our everyday life, yes. We are also able to get different kinds of goods and supplies from far off places. So transport is one of the more convenient for us, yes. It is a modern life faster also. Now we are using roadways, railways, waterways, airways, yes. So in our life, so one of the part is transport, yes. Without transport, we cannot get the goods or anything from further place. Yes, for example, if you want rice, biryani rice, it is not grew in our India, in our Tamil Nadu, but we are getting from the other state, yes, other country, not other country, other state, yes. How it's coming? It's come through the transport by the waterways or roadways. Yes, children? Yes. So, these roadways, airways, waterways and airways is one of the vital network for our today's time. Yes? But long a time ago, how the people travel? They travel through their food, yes? They could travel only on their food. But day by day, they are increase their knowledge, the invention of the wheel. With an invention of the wheel, they can go somewhere to the long distance and they can carry a heavy loads with the help of the animal driven. Like carts, wagon. See this picture? மாட்டு வண்டியிலையும் ஒரு பாறை வண்டியில என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போனாங்க. பொருட்களை ஏற்றிக்கொண்டு என்ன செஞ்சாங்களாம், போனாங்க. எப்படி இந்த வீலை கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க, அப்படிதானே? இத்தாலிக் ஏஜ்ல என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, வீல் கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. They invented the wheel. Through the wheel, they carried the heavy loads. Yes, with the help of animal like horse, donkey, like that it's carried. Yes, cow, மாட்டு வண்டி பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Did you see? But it is in the previous day. Yes, now we can see somewhere only. Yes, now we are using modern technology. What? Plane, aeroplane, boat, ship, like that. Yes, but in the oldest wheel was found in archaeological excavation in Mesopotamia. It is believed to be over 5,000 years old and used by the humans in the Neolithic age. What the use of the wheel? For the travel we can use, yes. And we can make as a pot, weaving and spinning also is there. Yes, we saw. Yes, children. So day by day, the human also started exploring through the waterways. They used a boat. See, what is this? See the picture? Canoes. ஓடம். இது மூலமா என்ன செஞ்சாங்களாம்? ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போனாங்க. They move from one place to another place through the waterways like a canals. Yes, children. Now turn the page 22. Invention of transport. Invention of transport. See, the invention of the steam engine is revolutions the transportation system. So it's take a major role in the improving the transportation of a good. The steam engine was now being as a bigger boat called as steamers and a railway. So it helps greatly in the transporting. The people can go across longer distance and it's make it easier to transport heavier loads. At the time past, human invented vehicles such as a car, buses. Yes, children? Car, buses. But it's more efficient. We need petrol and diesel. Yes? So, vehicle played as an important role in other industrial revolutions. Today, people are all over travel the different kinds of transport. Yes, such as the buses, public transport. Yes, that is the buses, steamers, trains. The private transport also is there. What is that? Car, scooter, bike. நம்மளா வச்சு சொந்தமா நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? பிரைவேட் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட். அதான் காரு, ஸ்கூட்டரு, பைக்கு, சைக்கிள் இதெல்லாம் நம்முடையது. இதுதானே? This is a private transport. பப்ளிக் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் இந்த கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்குள்ளது. சரியா? பப்ளிக் யாருனாலும் ஏறலாம், யாருனாலும் என்ன செய்யலாம்? இறங்கலாம். We can get anyone or any persons. Yes, that is bus, trains, steamers. See, in the earlier days, what is the first form of transport? What is that, children? The animal foot only. Yes, they walk by their foot. Yes, அவங்க காலாலே தான் நடந்து போனாங்க. அதுதான் அவங்களுடைய டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டா இருந்துச்சு. அப்படிதானே? Early man used it travel long distance on foot. People then they learned to use the animals. பிறகு குதிரை மிருகத்து மேல என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? Camels, donkeys. They will sit and they go to the somewhere places. Yes, for the transportation. They if you want to go somewhere means they will sit in the animals. Then can travel. Yes. So, but that time there is no road, but only dusty trucks. புழுதியாதான் கிடக்கும். சரியா? And along with that, they travel through the animal drawn carts and wagons. I said that first you saw in the picture that one. Yes. Then transporting heavy loads were still cumbersome. சிக்கலா இருந்தது. எக்ஸ்பென்சிவாகவும் இருந்துச்சு, அவங்களுக்கு சிக்கலாகவும் இருந்தது. So transportation of load was limited to amount the load animals could carry. அதனால மிருக அந்த அனிமல் எவ்வளோ கேரி பண்ண முடியுமோ அதை மட்டும் தான் வைக்க முடியும். அப்படின்னா முந்திலாம் ஒரு இடத்துக்கு கொண்டு போகணும், துணியெல்லாம் சுமந்துட்டு போகணும்னு நினைச்சுவாங்க. அந்த கழுதைக்கு மேல துணி கெட்ட வச்சுட்டு நினைச்சுவாங்க, அதுக்கு மேல உட்கார்ந்து போவாங்க. அப்படின்னா அது எவ்வளவுதான் சுமக்க முடியுமோ அவ்வளவுதான் சுமக்க முடியும். அப்படிதானம்மா? So that animals can carry what limited is that. Yes. So day by day it's improved, and earlier the boat is found. That is boat is canoes, and they found sailing boat. See this boat from through they are ventured, and these ships were made by the wooden with the mast and shears came into existence. So bulky goods are transported by sea from one part to another part of the world. Then in the year 1783, one first form airport transport came, that is hot air balloon. See in your book 21, first page, hot air balloon is there. Yes, that is invented in the France. It is invented in the France. So with the invention of the steam engine and the advent of the railways, also developed. So next they are invented what? Steam engine. The transportation system was revolutionary, means புரட்சிகரமானது. Water transport then, day by day, the centuries, 20th century, the transport improved very greatly. Then buses, cars became popular. Yes. Then trams. See, this is a trams. Yes. This were also found. It is in now electrified. மின்மயமாக்கப்பட்டது. சரியா? Meanwhile, a completely new form of transportation came in 1919. Then aeroplane became carrying passenger between London and Paris as a regular air service. For என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்களா? Aeroplane London to Paris க்கு என்ன செஞ்சுச்சு? சர்வீஸ் நடந்துட்டு இருந்துச்சு. ரெகுலரா airplanes இங்க இருந்து அங்க போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. சரியா? The Boeing 747 is the first jumbo jet introduced in 1969. See, now we are going to see the roadways. With the invention of the automobile, there has been improvement of roads. Earlier the road, how it is? Narrow, rough, dusty tracks made of mud or stone. Kallu, man road, அப்படியே தான் இருந்துச்சு அப்படிதானே? But now it's replaced by the board, smooth and concrete roads, which vehicles could move easily. கரடு மரடா இருந்துச்சு என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, வண்டிகள் போவதுக்கு தூக்கி போடும் அப்படிதானமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்படிதான் இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ என்ன செஞ்சாங்களா, அதை ஸ்மூத் பண்ணி ப்ராட் பண்ணி பெருசா பண்ணி காங்கிரீட் போட்டு வெஹிக்கிள் என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு போறதுக்கு வெரி ஈஸியா என்ன செஞ்சாங்களா, ரோடு அமைச்சாங்க. சரியா? டுடே the vehicles on a road or car, பாரு, see in the picture more cars are there. Yes, they have brought the road, some vehicles are moving. Yes, cars, scooters, buses, trucks. So the roads in urban area is really well developed to allow the smooth traveler or even of the heavy vehicles. So most roads in cities are divided in 2 lanes or 4 lanes. பாரு, lanes என்னது, இங்க ஒரு ரோடு இங்க ஒரு ரோடு. It's divided. Yes, see the picture. These lanes are made to coordinate fast and slow moving vehicles. If you go to the Tirunelveli, there is 2 ways there. One vehicle will be go on one way, and one side lane the vehicle will be come there from there. Yes, so it is very easier to move, to coordinate fast and slow moving vehicles. Yes, so exit lane are also provided for the vehicles that want to take a turn. பாத்திருக்கியா, வளைவுலாம் இருக்கும் பாத்திருக்கியா, எதுக்கு போயிட்டே இருக்க முடியுமா? No, we cannot be move. Yes, some turning position also, that is exit lanes we can say. Okay, we can turn the vehicles from there. So the network of the road connecting major cities of the country that call what we can say highways, freeways or expressways. See, some of the world famous highways are there. The King's Highways in Canada, it's one of the busiest highway. Australian Transcontinental Highways there, Pan-American Highways there. Yes, but in India also we have the National Highway. Yes, India is a good network of roads connecting the major towns, cities and villages. So in India we have the highways, that name is National Highways. It is maintained and developed by the NHAI, National Highways Authority of India. Some of these roads connect India with the neighboring country. பக்கத்துல இருக்க நாட்டோட நம்முடைய எல்கைகள் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்குது, நம்முடைய ரோடுகள் கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. Some of the important Indian roads, what is that? Grand Trunk Road, that is connected India and Pakistan. Pakistan is another country. Yes, so it connects the India and Pakistan. It is one of the oldest highways in India. It is built more than 400 years by Sher Shah Suri and connects Sonarkand presently in Bangladesh to Multan presently in Pakistan. இந்த ரோடும் கிராண்ட் ட்ரங்க் ரோடும் இந்தியாவோட ரோடு என்னதான் இருக்குது பாகிஸ்தானோட கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. 400 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னே என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காங்களா இந்த ரோட கட்டியிருக்காங்க. யாரு கட்டினா? ஸ்ரீஷாய் சுரி. சோஹர்கான் பங்களாதேஷ்ல முல்தான் பாகிஸ்தான் வரைக்கும் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காங்களா கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் கைபர் பாஸ். இது வந்து ஆப்கானிஸ்தான் அண்ட் பாகிஸ்தானோட என்ன செஞ்சிருக்குது இந்த ரோடு கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. இண்டோ டைபட் ரோடு இது சைனாவோட கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. டைபட் ரோடு அந்த வழியா என்ன செஞ்சிருக்குது கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. அதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் இந்தியா இண்டோ டைபட் ரோடு. So the Golden Quadrilateral is a highway system which connects the 4 metropolitan cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai of India. So India is the second largest road network in the world after the United States. United States பரவு நம்முடைய ரோடு தான் என்னது ரோடு நெட்வொர்க் என்னது இந்தியா தான். ஓகே, India is the second largest road network in the world after the United States. So day by day our road traffic is increased. It increased road accidents and greater air pollution in our India. Now we are going to see the railway. Okay, are you went in the train, children? Did you went? Yes, very good. So very enjoying. Yes, if you go in the train, very enjoyed way. Yes, you get very enjoy. Yes, children. Yes. See, it is one of the main transport. Yes, it help us lot of number of peoples. We can go in this train. Yes, in bus 60 or 70 peoples only can go, but here large number of people can go. Yes, it is helpful to for the transport, but also heavy goods over long distance also it can carry. But in India, British only introduced this railway on April 16th 1853. First passenger train service inauguration where? It is in between Mumbai to Thana. Mumbai, between Mumbai and Thana. So now today India has one of the largest networks of railway in the world. So Indian railway has improved a lot since 1853. At present we have many fast moving trains also. Yes, is there no, children? So it through connecting important cities across the country. Some super fast trains of India, Satyapati Express, Rajdhani Express, some luxury trains like a Palace on Wheels, Royal Orient and Deccan Odyssey and Fairy Queen has introduced. Yes, and next 1984 in Kolkata, first metro train is started. And air conditioner metro train also now operational in Delhi, Mumbai and Lucknow. Children, did you went in the metro train? You go. It is in Chennai also now. Yes, the Chennai also is a proposed for the city of Chennai. Metro project is there. So if you go, you can enjoy. Okay. Say your parent, okay, you go and enjoy in the metro train. Okay, children? Okay, let us now read about some important railways line in the world. Second tunnel. It is in Japan. This Sikal tunnel is undersea rail tunnel. It is a 54-kilometer railway tunnel with the 24-kilometer under the seabed. இது வந்து கடலுக்கு கீழே இருக்குது. Okay, below the seabed, that is 100 meters, below the sea level, that is 240 meters. கடலுக்கு கீழையும் அது மிடில் sea bed போயிட்டு இருக்கு. சரியா? Next, canal tunnel is a 50.5 kilometers long undersea rail tunnel under the English Canal between the United Kingdom and France. France லையும் United Kingdom ல என்ன செய்யுது இதே மாதிரி railway track இருக்கு. சரியா? Next, the Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway line in the world. It is in the Asia. Trans-Siberian, where it is? It is in Asia. It connects to Moscow, which is in the extreme, went to Russia, to the extreme parts of Russia. Asia and Russia varaikku enna cheyudhu the railway connection irukkudu. See this picture. See the picture. TGV. What is that? TGV means train a grand vitesse. It's in a French. The high speed train. It is a high speed train. Is France high speed railway service. It is one of the fastest trains in the world. உலகத்திலே வேகமா போற வண்டி இதுதான் TGV. பாத்தீங்களா? Did you see? Yes. It with the speed of over 300 kilometers per hour. ஒரு மணி நேரத்துல 300 கிலோமீட்டர் என்ன செஞ்சிருமா போயிருமா. See this TGV train seat, how it is. See inside this train look like this only. Can you see? Yeah, very luxury. Yes children, it is a very luxury. It is air conditioner like that. Yes. So this train will move with the speed of over 300 kilometers per hour. Next, the Shanghai Maglev or also Shanghai Transprite is currently the fastest train in the world. It's running between the Beijing and Shanghai. It's a maximum operational speed. இதுக்கு பிறகு இந்த வண்டி தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. சரியா? It has a maximum operational speed. What is that? 430 kilometers per hour. So day by day our world technology is improved. Yes, improving also. Yes children, can you understand? Today we studied roadways and railways. Okay children, now you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Answer the following. What are the highways? List some famous highways in the world. Write the date and day. Write the question answer. Write children fast. Write it fast and neatly also. While you come to the school, I will check your classwork note. Yes. I give the time for you. Write it fast. Now second question. Write a short note on the evolutions of the means of transport. Write neatly, children. Now third question. Who invented the first aeroplane and when? This I didn't teach you, but next class I will teach these lessons, okay? We'll teach this lesson. Now take your homework note. Homework page. It is divided in one note, yes? The world first aeroplane was invented by the dash. Second one, transportations is the movement of humans, animals and goods from one dash to another dash. Third one, transport has made modern life and dash. Something I'm not taught you, you find if I teach that lesson, you can understand. While I'm teaching time, if you learn these books, you can understand, yes? Some information you can get through these books. So, don't say, ma'am is not taught this first aeroplane. You want to read the book, that's why I gave, okay? Before the teaching, I gave this one word for you, okay? Okay, children. Write it fast, write neatly. Okay, children, we will meet with lesson, third lesson, part 2 in next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.